Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of stopping by, hi, my name is Ifoma. Welcome. On this channel I talk about fashion, beauty and a little bit of lifestyle. Today's haul is a Target haul, but before I get started, be sure to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload you get a notification. Also follow me on Instagram. I am very active on Instagram and I'm also on Pinterest. So now let's get into the video for the day. The first item I have is this gorgeous, beautiful dress that I have on. Oh my God, I am so in love with this color. Is it a magenta color? I love this color. I think it's a pretty color for every skin tone. This dress, as you can see in the styling part, I added this big belt that I have on. Is a Valentino dupe that I got last year during the summer. I love this belt because I feel like it just ties the outfit together. And this dress have a pocket. It's an A-line dress. I love it. And of course it have the puff sleeve, as you can see in the styling part. I added a black pump that I got from Marshall's a while ago, and I also added a black handbag that I got from Macy's a while ago. This dress also have this beautiful detail at the back. I added this little bit of chunky necklace to bring the gold accessory that I used to accessorize this dress together. And during the fall, I like adding like more bolder or chunkier necklace because I think it makes the outfit pop. Accessories are my best friend during the fall and winter period. You know, it's already cold, we are all covered up. So I wear a lot of belts and I wear a little bit more heavier, chunkier jewelries during the fall. So now let me move on to the next item. The next item I have is this plaid pants, and it has different colors. It have navy blue, it have black, and it have burgundy. And in the styling part, as you can see, I paired it with a body suit that I also got from Target. I saw this bodysuit and I was so in love with it. It comes in burgundy and it comes in green and it comes in black. When I got this plaid pants, I felt like these two colors complement each other. So you see how I styled it. I apologize that the tag is still on because I think the pant is a bit loose on me. I got it in a size 10. I'm thinking I should go back and get a size 8. That's why I did not take the tag off. In the styling part, I styled it with a blue navy handbag. It's a posing handbag that I got long years back. And I also styled it with a navy blue pumps that I got from TJ Maxx a long time ago. I was trying to pull out the navy blue in the black pants and I think it looks good. I also added a belt, a burgundy belt on it. That belt I also got it from Target. I can't remember, but I think it was last year. So I just felt maybe it needed something extra. What do you guys think? Do you like the way that I styled it? So be sure to let me know in the comment section. Do you prefer it with the belt or do you prefer it without the belt? So drop your comment in the comment section. Okay. So now let me move on to the next item. The next item I have is this black long sleeve top. And all of these items in this Target haul is from a new day. So I am going to link everything in the description box. I got everything in store, but I'm sure they are online. Target online, they say so fast. But when you go into the store, these things are still there. So be sure to check your local Target. So as I was saying, the next item that I have is this black long sleeve top that I got from also a new day. Why I love this top is because it have that asymmetrical neckline. I thought it was just a little bit extra It makes the outfit look very interesting. I also went ahead and I styled it with that plaid pants that have those navy blue, black, and burgundy color. I just styled it with the black and I added a belt and I switched my shoes to a booty, and I'm also carrying this handbag that I got from Burlington last summer. Not this summer, the last year, last year's summer. So I love all the burgundy handbag is like the croc effect. The booty is the croc effect and the belt is the croc effect. So I love those croc effects during the fall season and the winter season. So I just like, well, let me just go with the whole look. So I like this, you know, these outfits are so appropriate for work. You see how I am styling them. These are things that you can just wear to work and you look so chic. When it gets colder, you can add you a blazer. A black blazer will go with this black pants. A navy blue blazer will go, and also a burgundy blazer will go if you have that, but mostly black will go with these items that I have featured so far. So now let me go on to the next item. So the next item I have is also a pants, a high-waisted ankle length pants from Target in this chocolate dark brown. Oh my god, I love the color. It is just so faux. If that is a word. First of all, I started with a brand top that I also got from Target. It has that top, the neck is a little bit high, almost like a turtleneck, but not quite. It's just a little bit high. I will not call it a proper turtleneck, but it looks like a turtleneck. It's also from a New Day. They have that top in so many colors. That top came out last year, so but when it came out last year, they just had it in black, in brown, not this shade of brown like the caramel brown, and they had it like in beige, but now they have it in so many colors. So as you can see in the styling part, I just went for a monochrome look because I just wanted that brown effect. I added a belt, a brown belt to the pants, and I'm wearing these brown mules that I got from Amazon. I will link that in the description box. And I'm also carrying this brand handbag that I got from Amazon last year. Like I said, all of them have that crop look except for the belt and the top, just because I like I like that crop look during the fall. I thought it looked well together. They are all different shades of brown, but because they are in that the same color wheel, they look so well together. And also I styled it with the orange long sleeve satin top that I got from Zara during this summer, because you know colors are trending this whole fall and winter period, and I'm here for it. I am loving it. Orange was my favorite color during the fall. I am so glad that it's extending throughout this season. So you ready to see more colors? I love neutrals, and I realized that I also like colors. So what is fashion if you cannot have fun? As you can see, I added an orange bed that I got from Shein during the summer. I just wanted that brown and orange. Oh my god, I thought it looked so good. I was feeling myself. Anyways, let me move on to the next item. I play too much, I know. It's all about having fun on this channel, huh? The next item I have is this knit rib wear long sleeve dress without the same asymmetrical neckline. I love this neckline. I just think it adds a little bit more character to the outfit. I just love it. It's from a New Day also. Like I said earlier on, everything from this haul is from a New Day. And all of this dress, perfect for work, perfect for church, perfect for your business meetings, perfect for your business lunches. So in this video, I styled this dress with a neutral sandals that I got from Target last year's summer, and I added a handbag that I got from TJ Maxx. I just wanted that neutral look. And I think it looks so good. You can wear this to work, as you can see. You can also wear it to church. Then I switch. I also added a trench coat. That trench coat is from H&M, and I switched my shoes into pumps that I got from Nine West last summer. And I'm also carrying that same handbag from TJ Maxx. What am I trying to do here? You know, fall season is the period that it rains, and also to just make your outfit look more stylish, because that dress is kind of like just plain. I forgot to mention that it has a slit on the side. Aside from the slit on the side and the asymmetrical neckline, it's just a plain dress. So I wanted it to have a little bit more character, so that was why I added that trench coat. It doesn't mean that you have to be like freezing before you can add a trench coat to your outfit, just to make it a little bit more edgier. And of course, this trench coat is also an essential, because if it rains, that will protect you from the rain. And if you go into rooms that are cooler, that you can also wear that, you know. And of course, because it's a long sleeve, if you feel you don't need a trench coat, you can take off the trench coat. So these are all perfect for work. You just make you look classy, elegant, and a little bit edgy. So these are the way I style them. What do you guys think? I want you to leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts on these outfits and the way that I style them. Which one is your favorite? Are you shopping at Target? Target has some cool stuff for this fall. I haven't done a Target haul in a long time, and I was like, let me just pop into Target, and I was pleasantly surprised. So be sure to check out Target. They really have some cool work outfits that I'm sure you guys will love. So guys, that is all that I have for you guys today. Be sure to leave me your comment. Do not forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also follow me on Instagram. I am also on Pinterest. Before I go, I just want to let you guys know, you see where they have the thumbs up icon and the save icons just underneath the video. There is also a heart shape icon. It's called a super sticker. YouTube just started this for content creator. You can support my channel by hitting on that button and selecting any options you like. It will give you different options. There's $2, there's I think $5, there's $10. So if you like my content, please support by buying a super sticker for me, and I really appreciate it. So thank you for watching, and until my next video, take care of yourself. Bye bye. Thank you so much.